Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about Chronicler and Malie Dan. You go there and say, but look YouTuber, Dancehall reviews now and Clash reviews. No man, that ain't look YouTuber lane. Must have a channel like Reggae Media and them people that deal with them things. Big up Reggae Media. Right, but why I talk about it is because the two of them clash end up expose some things where not found over here a long time. And that is why my inbox full up. And by the way, long time PIA and Patreon squad people, if you don't realize when you send me a message one long time, I only just can't see the message get read and answer back here because it buried down in hundreds and hundreds, and no matter how much message me read, me can't get to somehow. So just send me back a new message. I talk about my original PIA and Patreon squad people, and I reason with regular. No care how far I go to my inbox, I can't find somehow. So send me back a new message, make one thing jump back to the top of the pile. Inbox spooky. But we don't talk about no clash, who bother and who win. I say that for different platforms. What I'm going to talk about is how, just like I said many times before, dancehall artists in general, even hip hop artists, and them give the most intel. That's why they can't call nobody Informa. And then, right after this video drop, look out for two Politricks video, cause a next set of people are link me across. Look who YouTuber. Election are going on and I know we can't hear what you say. Even time I tell them say, yeah, but every blogger boy and a blogger dumb done go now. Yeah, but who hear what you say? And you name Politricks watch. It's kinda funny because my people want to send me them messages I say they can't wait for me to say. Some of them then DP picture. Or some entertainers that claim to me fight against and this. And still want you look a blogger boy if you say. Now I get two Politricks video after this. It's a spooky Sunday. So that's why I start off with the entertainment part first because you know entertainment is frivolous. And then we get to the serious part right after. By the time the serious video drop, some only gone up in our second rounds and third rounds coming on the stage. Some only gone back in our mama party and tea photo our next piece of chicken. Inbox full, look YouTuber. Now you did say this and tea come out in my ward. Malie Dan versus Chronicler. Chronicler even have one song where him say DJ I give look YouTuber information. Chronicler have one song name must say Final Lap. Chronicler, I don't say tune in regular. Just like me saying in the video with you, I'll hear one time you tell him and say look YouTuber forget this and get that and all kind of wicked talk. But we don't say you tune in regular. And no worry Chronicler, I forgive you. Because I understand how you go. When they're there on the thugs them, you have to kind of, the machismo, you have to show them look bravado and go on like, phased and, make two talk and make it sound like, say, look YouTuber, if you ever see me, I'll be a box up. And when we go already, now I will against you. You have to maintain the act, the image. Because I'm not even going to entertain the whole argument. Say, I'm Malie Dan. I suppose I look YouTuber at Intel because anybody who know about the look YouTuber knows say my Intel is normal. And my Intel come from normal people. Now for things I may hear we talk about on this platform are things where me dip on the ground and see with my own two eyes, or Intel that I am privy to from my line of quote unquote work, or high level Intel we come from the PIA and the Patreon squad. And when time we say high level, it can go very high. Right. I remember say during the Clansman trial, when you see what that go. Right. Star witness and all them things there. What I'm going to say to Chronicler is this. When you drop video and mention the look YouTuber by name, understand say you stress out blogger boy and blogger girl. Because many of your favorite dopey bat blogger them want to push the narrative that the look YouTuber is just a washed up bad mind blogger boy. I look at hype and not go on. He might be a fight against him. If you don't fight against him, this can. When you come out and talk about look, because how much artists now come out and talk about Sir P. When you do them things there, When you just breed more malice in the heart, a blogger them. Because enough blogger boy blog for fame. Them want man call them name and they want man shout them out and all them something that them live for. It's ironic that the person who try hide from attention I get the most. That's ironic. Just like with such man and them big stage show. Right before the biggest stage show them saying a stage show them. Jump on stage boy, yeah sir P, you chat too much. I'm just a little blogger boy over here saying my corner drop the video. Washed up blogger boy. When you drop them video you want to talk about Sir P and my name all in the war now. Blogger boy sit down and then get red because of that them want. Them want name and they want fame. Them want set the narrative say look YouTuber and the body with bad mind people and that. And then when them go hear Chronic Law and them go hear Devil Brat and then go hear all kind of shit and then hear nothing at all, but look, them think they breed more hatred in them heart. Because what now give me and what them want you give them. The truth is not only favorite blogger them. Sit down and take notes, study look YouTuber. I try to find out what it is that make the look YouTuber different. See, with all due no respect, the reality is not only favorite blogger boy them and blogger girl them who take up blogging with no real purpose, no real mission, just want fame and hype and people know them and talk about them. Sit down day and night in front of the mirror and ask the question, why Sir P? Because 10,000 now we talk about the same thing. Why everybody love talk about Sir P, Sir P, Sir P, Sir P, Sir P, Sir P? Just like I've told many of you artists and many of you blogger boy, some people floor is some people's ceiling. Some name have more weight than others. And that's not me bragging or nothing. I'm just stating the obvious at this point because look how much people talk about Chronic Law. Look how much people talk about Malie and Teletubby and all them people. But when time them a talk about people, right, it always reach back to one name. The look YouTuber. So the only conclusion we can draw, because people ask me, look YouTuber, me understand, look how much man talk about this and talk about that. Why are you them always go after? Clearly, them DJ realize, say some people name have more weight than others. That's the only conclusion we can come to. I know me alone bad mind artist and fight against scammer. When MC Big Girl Nuffy, when MC Nuffylicious was about to announce the arrival of such man on his stage, them saw the biggest stage in a stage dumb. Look how much man make how much video about such artists. Look how much man dedicate them whole life to telling such artists about them woman. And make it clear to them not like such man. Look how much man make how much video about such artists. Look how much people make how much video criticize this and talk about that. And right before them platform, on them biggest night, then go ball out, yeah, Sir P, you chat too much. Look, am I alone chat? So when people ask me the fair question, why them think them even if you call out you? And so much man talk about the same thing. Evidently, every damn crown of the sky equal, but some more equal than others. None of them people secretly highly rate the look YouTuber and highly revere the things them want me say. To the point where when time me say it, them take it to heart. Enough man say the same thing, but when the look YouTuber say it, them take it to heart. Them can dismiss what other man say. Them can ignore what other man say, but them can't get over what look YouTuber say. Because all the junker them in the sky equal, but some more equal than others, apparently. You know the spin-off from the original quote? All the animals in the farm equal, but you know the original quote. This is why I laugh at the quote-unquote fans. Because the fans them say things like, so okay man, you're on the body, you're still on the bad mind man, artists don't even know you. Your artist sit down and tune in more than you. Your artist tell him friend them. Say him sorry, say him can't recruit. The look YouTuber, one of them not listen to me. One of the things them will stress out your favorite artist them about the look YouTuber is that them can't buy me out or friend me up. Artists know say, remember traditionally artists and bloggers had a what they call symbiotic relationship. If you're a blogger boy or a blogger girl in blackadom. Having good relationship with artists is beneficial because them can pass through your platform, give you strength. You can talk to them, and if something happens, you can get the first scoop from them. That's how blogging works. There is a symbiotic relationship between artist and blogger. If you're a blogger, you can get one artist, so it's in your interest to stay upon artist's good side. Even if two artists are war, you want to on at least one of them good side. So you can get this early. You can get a sneak preview of this. However, none of this matters to me. Me no want a ticket from the DJ. Me no want an invitation from the DJ if you're gonna. Me no want to preview your music. Them artists boy I know say my thing different. The Politricks Watch movement was built off the relationship between the local YouTuber, the PIA, the Patreon squad, the people. The people them said Sir P. TVJ never said Sir P. Not CVM, not Gleaner, not your favorite journalist, no marketing company never. You never get no push, no promotion, no ad. And the people them say look YouTuber. We could talk about something else. I'm realizing that this Chronicle and Malie war. Entertainers are some of the biggest informers in an informerdom. This is what I'm telling you them say. Me a big informer. And when people try shame you for being informer, just laugh. These entertainers give more intel than the local YouTuber. Them claim say me a informer, them give more intel than me. Even me jealous of the amount of intel them give. Even C4 jealous of the amount of intel them give. Them man a intel no normal. Entertainers are the biggest informers in the informerdom. It's only because for years, so-called scholars did I tell them to say it's all entertainment and art and none of this is real, they're just expressing. Meanwhile, Miller tell them to say these dopey bots are documenting real events. When you claim to be some kind of bad man, and have artists that call your name and say you run around this up, anybody would have sense to know say automatically that means pressure, spotlight. But they are so stupid. The Dan and the 87 love when time the artist say him run around this up, not knowing say his days are coming to an end. Tesha Miller life changed when such man say him a one Dan if I not him a Tesha Miller. Enough people outside of Spanish Town never knew about Tesha Miller till they heard that song. Tesha came under a different level of spotlight when that song got out. Have you ever wondered why you hear about Tesha Miller? But even time such man did switch to black man, you know hear about black man. Even time they talk about in the news, I look at code. It's because black man realized what happened to Tesha after the name drop and never want the same spotlight. Man a drop song with be a gunman name and the gunman them a laugh and a skin them teeth, them not in a sense. That was one thing with black man. I'd me say it's only a shame he was a vile dopey bat. Very impulsive, very destructive, very demonic. But black man had more sense in some ways than enough other than in Jamaica. Black man never like spotlight. Black man never like him name call. That is why when time videos start drop from the local YouTube about black man, ask people around him, tell them start to end this. I don't know. Once my name start call like that, all people who never sure before, now they sure it done. Spotlight equal pressure. That is why the mafia, Cosa Nostra, hated spotlight. That is why criminals are said to live in the underworld. In other words, out of the mainstream, out of the spotlight. Just listen to any Chronicle song, any Malie song, any favorite artist in song. Then come back and confirm everything the local YouTuber telling you. The thing them with them fans, with Teletubby fans, Sharp Snake fans, with all of them fans come back and say, lie me and tell me I fight against the poor to get the youth. Them come back, come confirm it. And now half of the people must say, look YouTuber, John want a real thing, and the next half shame like dog. Sit down and can't say nothing. Them sit down and listen to the song and then hear the part when time they mention about man and broke, and then hear the part about, and then hear when time man talk about who get set up. And them little bird brain go back to when time the little YouTuber they say so. But because them shame like dog, them just pretend like them the ear. Like, them just pretend like them the ear confirmation. What do you think is happening here? Do you think I'm just getting lucky? Do you think when time I give you a certain intel and then you see it happen, you think me just get lucky? Man, I say a crystal ball. You think me really have a crystal ball? I don't have to say anything else. At this point, I am tired to be proven right. Even when time the whole world attack and just okay, mama, long down the road, everything come to pass. It has to be studied. When you see what I go on Uncle Sam place with Young Thug, I call man snitch, call man informer. I know them expose him as snitch and informer. Either them a dry snitch in a song or them actually a snitch in the police station. Bigger informer than even me. And that takes some doing to be a bigger informer than the little YouTuber. You have to be a special when me tell you say one of the favorite artists them a big informer. Sit down in a station, man with them buy gungi. When the man fall out, then call police and tell police which way man and police go kill the man them. When you see them that call Carlton informer. When you hear say Carlton go give one name a station, when you see them board the informer and for dead, the general informer. Vile. Everything them say them hate, them artists them guilty of. Informing, woman beating, rapeable, everything what them say them burn out and then fight against them favorite artists them guilty of it and then turn the blind eye. You people are vile. Vile, vile, vile. It has to be studied. Chronicle versus Malie, I don't know who's winning and I don't care. At this point, I'm just tired to get proven right. It's getting boring now. Come let me have to go find my new profession. I have to go start bad mind scammer or something. It's getting boring now. It's getting repetitive. I'm not tired. If you tell me, Mr. John, look at you, but I can't believe I say you go for real. I'm not tired. Just like the video I drop with the so-called black revolutionary. People go do them research and I come back. Look at you, but I can't believe I say you go for real. I'm not tired. Has to be studied. Has to be studied. Patreon squad, big up in yourself. PIA, I don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Blessed.